Want to go a little deeper on this story? We're joined by Youngmi Kim, who's a senior lecturer in Korean studies at the University of Edinburgh. Thank you very much for speaking to us on France 24.
Thank you.
This was a unanimous and quite a firm stance taken by the Constitutional Court. Is this what you were expecting?
Yes, I was expecting this.
What gave you those indications that this was going to happen this way? And do you think South Koreans were also expecting this outcome?
It has been delaying for a while, so a lot of people were worrying about it. But the act of declaring martial law is supposed to be by national crisis, but there was no national crisis. But it was rather the president and first lady's personal crisis. The way they respond to such political crisis by declaring martial law is unconstitutional.
And in the wake of this decision, we heard from Yoon Suk Yeol, who said that he was sorry he didn't live up to expectations, and his party, while they regretted the decision, accepted it. Do you think this is part of their efforts to restore calm finally, even after we saw Yoon refuse to cooperate with arrest warrants and his refusal to accept blame all this time?
I don't think they have any other option at this stage. They need to accept the constitutional, decision.
Well, the country will now have fresh elections. How do you think that they're going to play out? Is the opposition going to use this as an opportunity to present themselves as the only democratic choice?
Yeah, even when president, by now former president, won election, he won with less than 1% of, very minimum, vote more than the former president candidate Lee Jae-myung. And this time, I think he has much higher support due to this incident. So it's likely the opposition party leader may win the presidential election.
But we still saw quite a lot of supporters for Yoon, camping out in front of his home. What do you think they're going to do after this?
I know there was some violence going on around the court, and they may be vocal for a while. But a lot of those far-right Yoon Suk Yeol supporters were, some of them, I should not say most of them, but some of them were funded by church or conservative party members. So I think this will also, be much calmer than it has been now.
And Yoon is also facing a separate criminal case. He's facing insurrection charges. What do you think is going to happen there, and what kind of timeline are we looking at?
I think he will be arrested immediately, and also his wife as well, because there have been a lot of illegal action. They've been involved with selecting procedure of party candidate for elections previously, which is they should not be involved. And also there are other one for National Express Road they're supposed to construct, but that was redirected to be part of First Lady's family land. And there are a number of things to be investigated.
And lastly, we've been talking a lot about how South Korean society is divided in the wake of this. Do you think that that's accurate? And do you think that now the society is going to become even more polarized, or the two sides can be brought closer together?
I think society is polarized because not just because of ideological matter, but also economic matter that comes with globalization. So the economic polarization may continue, but to overcome this political crisis, I think there will be people's effort to be together to, to go back to the ordinary life.
All right, Youngmi Kim, thank you very much for your analysis on France 24.